Hello, thank you so much for having me today. I'm Daniela Simão, an assistant professor at the biology department from Federal University of Santa Maria, Brazil. I'm very happy to present Green Connections, a Nature RX project in Brazil. These are the topics I will share with you today: who and where we are, what we do, our project timeline, our results, challenges, and our dreams. You are going to see some words in Portuguese in the next slides, our language in Brazil. For instance, this is the name of our project, Conexões Verdes, Ações de Bem-Estar junto à Natureza. Let's start presenting our team. Besides me, we have these lovely and engaged students who help me with the activities: Daniele Portela, Jamile Schlosser, and Laura Alves. And of course, we have a lot of partners. Santa Maria is home to our university. It's a city in Rio Grande do Sul, the southernmost state of Brazil that share borders with Uruguay and Argentina. The Federal University of Santa Maria is a public university funded by the federal government. These are pictures of our university and the number of students, faculty, and staff members. We have undergraduate, graduate, technical, and basic education programs, including kindergarten. Green Connections is an education project that develops activities to show the benefits of spending time in nature. We initiated developing well-being activities such as meditation, yoga, and gardening at our university's green spots, in particular the UFSM Botanical Garden for the students. This year, we are expanding our public by conducting outreach events for the community at our botanical garden, as depicted in this image. The academic unit called PROGRAD has provided funding for our project, and to be part of this project, the project must be aligned with the university's development program and the sustainable development goals. Before I present the timeline, I would like to explain how a Nature RX project arrived in Brazil. In 2022, I was a visiting scholar at UC Davis, and I participated in a fall Nature RX series at the Arboretum and Public Garden. It was an amazing experience. I didn't know about this wonderful universe of Nature RX projects, so I started working with Stacy Park team and decided to bring some activities of Nature RX to Brazil, of course, with their available help. So I applied for the fundings here in Brazil, and we began our activities in May. At our institution, we follow a two-semester academic calendar that begins in February, March, and ends in December. This year was the same. I'm going to share the results in the next slides. These are our main results. Last year, we had 12 sessions for the undergrad and graduate students. We had around 100 participants and 10 guest lectures. Some of these guest lectures were students, some community guests, and members of our team. We always invite people who love what they do, as my mentor at UC Davis taught me. On this tour, depicted in the pictures, we can see a tour at the botanical garden and also a tour at our university nursery. Another thing we have done, we ask participants to write down their feelings before and after each session. The most common pre-session words were stressed, anxious, tired, unmotivated. And while the most common post-session words were happy, relaxed, inspired, connected, and of course, we got a lot of smiles and grateful words at the end of the sessions. These activities were also from 2023 and include gardening with succulent plants, kokedamas, painting, eco bags, watercolor, 2 yoga and self-care sessions, origami, meditation, and learning about the benefits of essential oils. Last year, we also developed an Instagram profile to promote the sessions. We also developed cards and brochure for most of the sessions, focusing on the theme of each session. Another good result was that last year, the students who got the scholarships presented 2 works at a local congress. The first semester of this year was very challenging for us, especially because of a historical flooding at Rio Grande do Sul state. There was also a long strike at our university, and many spots from the universities were closed, so we decided to invest in online activities. We developed an Instagram web series named Connection Thursday, in Portuguese, Quintas de Conexão, where every week we share a simple tip to connect with nature. The idea is to continue with the series until the end of this year and then compile the tips on a brochure. This year, we also have initiated the promotion of our project through various events at the Botanical Garden. For instance, we were at the Descubra, a significant event that provides high school students with access to the university's labs, units, and other locations, as we can see here at the Botanical Garden. We also have Vivo Campus, which is a monthly event that opens the university to the community on Sundays. We have shared with them some benefits of being in contact with nature, and we promote some relaxing activities for children, for adults, for example, coloring mandalas. We also elaborate some stickers to share with the name of the project, and also a survey asking them to share how they can be connected to the nature. This experience have proven to be quite engaging as well. As with any project, we know we have our challenges. First, the lower involvement of students, along with staff and faculty, in activities that are not part of their regular routines. The second issue is the short-term scholarships, so the students move on to another project and we have to stop our activities. The third one is the weather in Santa Maria. It has made it challenging to engage in outdoor activities. And the last one, finding an available outdoor or indoor spot at the university. But we have an exciting present and future ahead of us. I keep trying to engage new partnerships at our university, especially the health and counseling academic units that work more closely with the students. I'm so happy to be here today sharing our results and, more importantly, learning from so many wonderful experiences. I would like to expand the activities with my colleagues and community to develop course and seminar for first year students at UFSM, to connect more with UC Davis Arboretum and Public Garden and other institutions, and so on. A lot of good work. To finish, I would like to express my deep gratitude to all these institutions, including my own from Brazil and UC Davis, for their remarkable contributions that have helped us, had helped me start this pilot project. Thank you so much, and as we say here, muito obrigada.